You want the world to clap for you? Then be ready to perform, even when the room is empty. You want success? Then build in silence, grind in darkness, train when nobody's watching. Because the truth is, no one believes in you until you win. So let them sleep on you. Let them doubt. Let them laugh. But when your time comes, and it will, they won't be able to ignore your name. So don't wait to be discovered. Create yourself. The world isn't looking for noise. It's looking for results. So show up every damn day, even if nobody's clapping yet.